What's your man? Fridge man. Fridge. What's your fridge man there? I'm gonna see. Yeah. Fridge man. What about fridge man?
Yeah man, we are going.
Yeah man, everything good.
Yeah.
Never one fridge more work pan star, you see it?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, a fridge more work pan, you see it? It does not freeze. Nothing not freeze when you go in there, you see me?
That's me 3 grand man, we deal with it.
You sure you can get a fridge, brother? You don't see a fridge yet?
One's a fridge man, we fix any fridge.
Any fridge?
One's in the fridge.
That's a 3 grand.
3 grand, we deal with it.
Alright, back up the fridge right now.
Alright.
Alright, fridge man, you couldn't even help me, man. The fridge, you couldn't even help me. That's trend.
I fix it man, ourselves.
Where's that fridge, man? Where do we put it?
Make it stay so, we fix it.
Good as well?
Yeah man.
Alright. Let's say, oh look.
Oh that's a look. Good. So I'm going up as oh, nah, cool man. Radiator mash up man.
Radiator?
Radiator mash up man.
My fridge have some weird parts, man.
You see, that's how you reset up. Alright, give me 3 grand and check back 2 days time.
3 grand?
Yeah.
You sure 3 grand can do it?
Yeah man, simple simple math.
Alright.
3 grand and check me 2 days.
You sure?
Yeah man.
Alright, so fridge. Yo, respect, yeah?
Big up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, you gone man. Yo, snacks man, where are you hear it? Remember that thing that you tell me say you want motor for your fridge? I see him brand you know singer, you know. Yeah man, I get a next one to scrap man, so you can forward in, is it? You want another one there, is it? Don't worry about scrap the fridge so I can sell it to scrap metal man them. Boy, the parts of stocks man want, you know. And if you don't have a circle feet, you no idea. Like kind of this. Oh my.
Fridge man! Fridge man! Why man say more there? Wait. I could my fridge this there so same way. After the man tells me I pick me and come pick up my fridge. I could have never my fridge this. Look like a man all scrappy, but wait. My parts can get gone off my fridge. Oh, fridge man had the fridge man! Fridge man! Ah, someone let you see. Yo, big boss. Yeah. Welcome, make a minute. 1 minute, please. Fridge man, I need to write this up. I'm gonna have to see because I call him and I hear him. Why did you just did this a while ago? Yeah. Jaja. So could I went gone so fast? Why? Would I wrong man that you know I plan to give fridge, you know? Never see a man give them man the fridge and get it back, you know? Jesus Christ. Yeah. And you're a thief, brother. But you feel like you know what I do? Why? You want a man to me attack, you know, brother? I know you go, man. But you can't check around there so still, you know? Alright, respect, yeah? Around there. Respect, yeah? I can't believe say fridge man do that, you know, man. Well, alright. It's alright. If you keep thinking, get away. It's alright. Respect the virgin to tell me what I go on. It's alright. Can't get towards my fridge. I'm going to start putting some fridge deep. Wait for him right as until he come back.
Police, I don't know police, but I give back Fred. I'm to them, man.
Oh, they send it there. You never know when I come back. I go on like a movie move. God, look at my hands, sir. Oh, man, don't move. Come here, man.
A thief, I thief, Fred.
What my fridge part then? You see me come pick up my fridge because my fridge is full now. And you think you can't thief me? What my things them there?
Well, I don't know where you're going.
Where you say a while ago?
I don't know where you're going.
So I got to jail my things then.
You bitch, right? Money is a problem in a earth. Money costs bad, money costs killing. What a sad, sad world.